Hey there, folks. Today, I've got something exciting to share with you, the MechanMagic flip key fob replacement for Ford vehicles. If you're tired of your old, worn-out key fob or if you've lost yours altogether, this might just be the perfect solution for you. First off, let's talk compatibility. This key fob replacement works like a charm with a wide range of Ford models, including the F-150, F-250, F-350, Explorer, Ranger, Bronco, and EcoSport, spanning from 2015 all the way to 2022. Plus, it's pre-tested to ensure quality, so you can trust that it'll work seamlessly with your vehicle. Installation is a breeze. Each replacement comes fully installed with batteries and electronics, so all you need to do is sync it up with your car. Just keep in mind that programming requires a qualified locksmith or dealership, as self-programming isn't an option here. Now, let's touch on the design and functionality. The key fob features 3 buttons and operates at a frequency of 315 MHz, ensuring reliable performance every time you use it. And with its sleek black color, it'll complement your car's aesthetic perfectly. One thing to note, though, is that it's only compatible with regular key vehicles, so if you've got a push-start button, you're out of luck with this one. But perhaps the best part about this key fob replacement is its versatility as a gift. Whether it's for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, or just a thoughtful gesture for a friend or loved one, this key fob is sure to put a smile on their face. So, if you're in need of a reliable, stylish key fob replacement for your Ford vehicle, look no further than the MechanMagic Flip Key Fob. It's dependable, easy to install, and backed by a brand you can trust. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.